Alright, we got it open. Let's see what's in it. Alright, what do we got? Let's see what we got here. Priority mail, huh? What's in it? Well, make your move. Trinity Metro cards. I don't know what these are. January 2022. I guess these are Ride to Trinity at the railway system. I guess that's all that is. That's all that's in there. We'll just set this up here. Alright, we got a box, another lock box. Look at that. There's nothing in it, but hey, it works. Made in USA by Buddy Products. Alright, man. That's awesome, man. I can use that. There's the other one. Oh, it slides in. Oh, there's nothing in it, man. Don't have a key, but yeah, does have a key for it. Can't believe that this thing is held on with plastic. That is crazy. Well, got a good lock box out of it. That's about it. And I got a nice wall hanger. Too bad they don't put the combinations in here. I suppose I could take it apart and find them, what the combination is. Anyway, that takes care of that one. That takes care of the video. I got two real nice lock boxes with keys out of them. That's it. The rest is just junk. It was worth the $20 I paid for them.